Hey folks, gather around for an exciting story about simplifying outdoor adventures. I recently discovered a foldable utility cart that transformed how I tackle errands and outdoor activities. Picture this. Last weekend, I was heading to the beach, arms full of a million things and just dreading the hassle. But then I unfolded this cart and suddenly it was like having an extra set of hands. This isn't your typical wagon. It's a heavy-duty powerhouse with a 200-liter capacity and large, smooth wheels that glide effortlessly over sand, gravel, and grass. Made with a steel frame and weather-resistant fabric, it handles everything I throw its way, from gardening tools to camping gear, without breaking a sweat. What makes it even better is its convenience. There's no complicated setup, just unfold and go. The ergonomic, adjustable handle makes maneuvering a breeze, even through crowded places. The ergonomic, adjustable handle makes plus it folds flat, saving precious space in your car or garage. Available in vibrant maroon or green, this cart not only performs outstandingly, but also complements your personal style. Available in vibrant maroon or green, this cart not only performs whether I'm heading to the park, tackling a gardening project, or running errands. This cart has become an indispensable part of my routine. So if you're looking to ease the load on your next adventure, get your hands on this versatile foldable utility cart. Trust me, it's a game changer, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Trust me, it's a game changer, and once you try it, experience the ultimate convenience and efficiency today, and let your adventures unfold effortlessly. Experience the ultimate convenience and efficiency today.